Introducing Bridgewater Heights, an amazing student accommodation situated in the vibrant heart of Manchester. Hosting a diverse selection of en-suites and studios, these rooms are specifically made to meet the varied needs of students. Illuminated by ample natural light streaming through expansive windows, they exude a sense of spaciousness and comfort. Each room here features a plush bed positioned opposite a well-appointed study desk, providing an ideal space to tackle assignments using the complimentary high-speed internet. Plus, the private bathrooms are pristine and fully equipped for your convenience. What's more, prepare delicious meals in the kitchen, complete with a cooktop, and share enjoyable moments with friends. The property boasts an array of communal amenities, including a gym, games room, and laundry facilities, ensuring a fulfilling and entertaining lifestyle. Situated within walking distance of institutions such as INTO and BPP University, Bridgewater Heights ensures you never miss a class. Nearby supermarkets and restaurants like Sainsbury's Local and Gino da Campo Manchester cater to your daily dining needs. On weekends, venture to distant locales by catching a bus from Oxford Road Station, Stop B, or unwind with friends over drinks at Rain Bar. Experience the epitome of student living by booking your stay at Bridgewater Heights through Amber Student and embark on a journey to live your best life in Manchester.